Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you the top 5 best drones of 2025 packed with insane camera quality, smart features, and long flight times. Whether you're a pro filmmaker, content creator, or just love flying drones, I'll help you find the perfect drone for your needs. Let's jump right into it. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. AE60 Ultra Professional Drone. First up, the AE60 Ultra Professional Drone. This drone comes with an 8K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth video. The highlight? Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system that keeps you safe while flying, plus a built-in touchscreen FPV controller, so you don't need to use your phone. The flight range is up to 12 kilometers with a solid 25 to 30-minute flight time thanks to brushless motors. Plus, it has a cool airdrop feature that lets you deliver small payloads mid-flight. Pros: crystal clear 8K video, reliable obstacle avoidance, touchscreen controller, no phone needed. Overall, this drone is perfect for professionals who want top-quality footage and advanced safety. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2. Next, the Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight drone weighing under 249 grams, making it easy to carry and often exempt from drone registration rules. It shoots 4K HDR video and takes 8K photos with a 3-axis gimbal to stabilize shots. It also includes AI night shot capabilities, AI tracking, and vertical shooting modes, which are perfect for TikTok creators and vloggers. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable. AI tracking and night shooting, great for beginners and content creators. If portability and smart shooting modes matter to you, this is a solid pick. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Max. The Teeggi SG909 Max comes with a 4K camera, a 6 kilometers control range, and a built-in touchscreen remote control. It also features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, which is great for beginners or those flying in tricky spaces. It's foldable and lightweight, making it convenient to carry around. The camera quality is good for the price, but keep in mind it's not true 4K, more like upscaled video. Pros: affordable price for many features. Obstacle avoidance helps beginners. Touchscreen controller included. This drone is a great option if you want solid features without breaking the bank. Number 4. P7 Max High-End Professional Drone. The P7 Max is the high-end drone in this list, featuring an 8K camera and an impressive 20 kilometers transmission range. It comes with a built-in screen controller and brushless motors for stable, smooth flight. This drone is great for cinematic projects or commercial use where range and image quality matter most. Pros: longest control range 20 kilometers, 8K Ultra HD camera, durable and powerful motors. If you need professional capabilities, the P7 Max is worth considering. Number 5. AE60 GPS Drone 8K Variant. Last but not least, the AE60 GPS Drone 8K variant shares many features with the Ultra model, including an 8K professional HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 12 kilometers range. It also features obstacle avoidance and a large FPV screen on the controller. This version focuses more on extended flight time and comes with smart tracking and follow me modes. Pros: same great 8K camera and gimbal, long range and flight time, reliable obstacle avoidance. A fantastic alternative if you want AE60 quality with slightly different specs. Highlight reel of all 5 drones. Purchase links on screen. So there you have it, the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you want ultra-high resolution, portability, or professional range, these drones cover every need. Check out the links below to find the best deal, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Which drone impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Would you like me to help with individual scripts for each drone or ideas for B-roll and graphics too?